control study sa Vilacron. There's a lot of immigration changes happening right now in Canada, but here in OA study, we make sure that our clients won't be affected. So right now we have approved visas, and let's come in. So good. Hi, good morning. Good morning, sir. Congrats. Ito na po yung visa nyo. Study permit, open work permit, study permit for kids.
Yes.
Just a brief background ko. Yung asawa ni Sir Alvin ay nasa Canada na holding study permit. So, susunod na lang sila ngayon. Si Sir Alvin open work permit, makakapagtrabaho siya from anywhere in Canada, any employer pwede. So, yung 2 weeks niya, makakapag-study rin for free. So, congratulations to the family of 3. At least, makakasama niyo na yung mother niyo na nasa Toronto. So, kamusta, sir? Congrats.
Worth it naman yung paghihintay. So, salamat sa support ni Mr. Jose. Ngayon, pati yung visa namin.
Yeah. Sir Alvin happened to be my brother.
Yeah.
If you don't know. Yes. And they are my nieces. Kamusta, ma'am? Nakakasama na namin yung mother after 8 months. So, magkakasama-sama natin sila together. Excited na mag-study sa Canada and become a Canadian soon. Yes. So, right now, I wish you all the luck. Sana maging successful pa kayo sa Canada. Lahat buong pamilya. And congrats again. Congrats.
Thank you.